welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Tanya and I film all kinds of pink, girly, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos on this channel. If that's something you're into, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and push bell notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. For today's video, I have a really fun video. I'm doing a bedroom tour of our bedroom, like our main bedroom where I sleep. You guys know I use a whole room for my closet and then I have my bedroom, so I'm going to be sharing it with you guys today. Before we get started, I want to thank LilySilk for sponsoring today's video. They did send me some gorgeous sheets and pillow covers that you will see on my bed, so if you're wondering where that's from, it is from LilySilk. Little unboxing experience so you guys can see how everything is packaged because it's so luxurious. Let me just show you. Get this gorgeous envelope. It's so sleek and pretty and it's like engraved. LilySilk's products are made with 100% pure natural mulberry silk, and it is basically one of the most expensive and luxurious silks. If you guys don't know the difference between silk and satin, it's a really big difference. To the eye it doesn't look different, but it is. Real silk is actually made by silkworms, while satin is man-made. It's a synthetic fiber. Meanwhile, silk is a natural fiber. So it did come with all these little cards as well that has a lot of information. Their packaging is also recyclable, by the way. Yeah, let me show you guys the gorgeous items. I didn't only get bed sheets, I also got some clothing pieces. So you can either get your LilySilk items in these like packages right here, which are really thick and nice, or you can order your items with gift packaging, which looks like this. So this makes the perfect gift for Mother's Day, Christmas. Makes a really good gift for any occasion, really. I don't even want to mess it up because it's packaged so pretty. So I believe in this box we have a 19 Momme seamless fitted sheet. Let me show you the color that I got. You won't be surprised. Get the ribbon off. So I'm just gonna do this because I'm dropping things. Okay, the pillowcases are in here as well. So it's packaged so luxurious. Here is one of the pillowcases. It has this LilySilk print all over the tissue paper. It says live spectacularly. I will now, thanks to you, LilySilk. This is the color of the sheets that I got. Of course, you guys will see overlaying right here clips of them on my bed and everything, so you can see what they look like. But yeah, this is what it looks like out of the package, and you could just feel the quality of these. They are so soft and just wow, like can you guys see how shiny the silk is? It's so pretty. See how the sheets come packaged. They just come folded like this. It looks like this. So I will show you guys better clips overlaid here of the sheets on my bed because they are gonna be just beautiful. I love silk sheets. I prefer them. The silk is actually very beneficial for your skin and your hair. It helps your hair, you know, have less breakage. It actually helps your hair stay styled as well when you sleep. Ever since I started using a silk pillowcase, I just haven't gone back to anything else. If you guys don't remember, I have worked with LilySilk in the past, a couple holidays ago. So I still have the pillowcase that I got then, and I'm really happy to finally have a new one because I use that one to death. Okay, so I did get a couple of clothing pieces and I'm gonna be overlaying some outfits right here. Some try-ons of me wearing them, so I'm going to show you. And it has that same tissue paper. It's also packaged really nicely even if you choose the bags. So this is beautiful. I got these in a size small if you're wondering, and it looks like this. It came with this little cardboard in the back that has like a ruler, and then it's basically a guide to fold your shirts. That is so handy. Okay, LilySilk, thank you. Very useful. So the blouse that I got is a nice cream blouse. So this is what the tag looks like. It has an extra button. Overlay more information about the kind of silk that this specific shirt is right here. But it looks like this is just a really classic, beautiful silk shirt. The dog's barking. Okay, go off, dog, go off. Basically, it just has a bow tie on the neck, like in the middle. And you guys know I love these kinds of shirts. I wear stuff like this a lot with my tweed skirts and things like that. I just really love a nice classic classy shirt. Love that it has a little tab, and again, I love that it's also recyclable. Okay, and then it says the package is also reusable. It is. Okay, cool. So it has like a little thing up here, which will make it reusable because it's like a sticky part, so you can like reuse this to melt things or whatever you want. Gosh, this is stunning. Okay, this is a little silk top. Look at her. This is so pretty. Love wearing something like this, like with jeans, and I'm going to of course overlay a clip of it right here of me wearing it. This was just an unboxing, so of course everything is as it comes, but I'm going to iron these and show you guys how it looks like on my body. One thing I want to note about the silk is that silk actually is naturally hypoallergenic. I'm curious, now that I have a full bed set that's silk, does that mean it's gonna prevent my booty from getting fine lines and wrinkles? I'm sorry, I had to say that. If you guys are interested in any of the LilySilk items, I'm going to link all of them down below, along with any coupon codes that I may have for you. Let's go ahead and get started with the room tour. As soon as you walk in, you see the bed. This bed is actually from Wayfair, and the bedding I have is Juicy Couture. And of course, I already told you guys the sheets are LilySilk, and they are real silk sheets. These are so beneficial for your skin, your hair. So I'm actually going to start off on this side. I just wanted to show you guys what you see at first. So we have the door, and then moving along this way, I hung, well, Manny hung, Manny hung this canvas, which I found at Burlington a really long time ago. It's really pretty. I have my ring light in here because I don't know if I'm gonna need it, but it's there. On the floor, I have our, it's like a air purifier, and we have our router, which is not very cute, but I would like to get like a small dresser for this wall or something so we can have a little more storage. Come over this way. This is what I call Manny's headquarters. So I'm not going to show you any of this because this is all Manny's stuff. So this place has 2 bathrooms. Manny has his own bathroom, which is in there. And he did not really, he said I couldn't show it because he wants to finish decorating it. So yes, I can't show you guys that yet. I guess here's a preview. I mean, if you guys want Manny to do, sorry, this thing turns on the fan. So if you guys want Manny to do a bathroom tour, just let him know. He could do it on TikTok or something. This is Manny's closet. This is Manny's closet. So he has 2 closets. And yeah, nothing interesting happening there. So coming over to this way, again, is the bed. We have these nightstands. These are from Pier 1, and I have just decorations on them. I mean, we don't really store that much on these. They're just mainly to have our lamps and maybe like some essentials in here. Like Manny has all his essentials in here. Of course, we have our lamps. These are, I don't even know, I think these are also from Pier 1. We have these mirrors behind it, which are from Hobby Lobby. And I'm sure you guys remember this little frame. I plan to put one of our wedding photos on it, but I haven't put anything on there yet. You can see how much it was. I found it at Home Goods. I have our engagement photos above the bed. These are so beautiful. I love these so much. I will try to remember where I had these made and put it below. So moving along to this side of the room, I have a little corner of like a rack of like new dresses and clothes that I like to keep there so I don't forget to wear it. And on the bed, I forgot to show you guys this. On the bed, I have this tray I found at Ross a really long time ago. This vase from Burlington with flowers from Michael's, and just some fashion books. And sometimes I use this tray to like drink my tea or whatever, like to put my tea on. And then of course we have our second nightstand. Underneath my nightstand, I just have my slipper basket. And then in my nightstand, I have just some essentials, some hand sanitizer, chargers, lighter for candles, to clean my glasses, a book, my silk hair caps, and silk eye masks from Victoria's Secret. I am burning strawberry pound cake. I love these small candles for the rooms as they just make the whole room smell without making the rest of the apartment overwhelming. So I really like to light a candle like this in a room. I have this little jewelry tray that says I do on it. I don't remember where I found this. It might have been Dollar Tree. And then I have a little room spray that says Dream Big. It smells really good. I found that at Home Goods. And if you're wondering, this is a silk head cap. And I like using this one when I do heatless curls because this one's a lot bigger and it fits better with like the thing that goes in my hair. The other one, the silk cap that's in here is smaller, so that's better for whenever I just have my hair curled already and just want to preserve the curls. If I'm doing heatless curls, I like this one. I got both of them from Temu, so I will link them. I have this Hello Pretty little thing, and it has like wax melts and receipts in there. And then I have a lotion. Sometimes I like to put on lotion before bed. And then I have my gold clothing rack. Again, this just has like newer dresses or dresses I want to try to wear. I have my bench here from Burlington. If you guys have been keeping up with my videos, I found this not long ago. It is also diamond tufted on the sides. Inside of it, I just keep, you could probably see peeking through, but I keep extra sheets, pillows, and blankets. This little throw pillow I got from Burlington. And I have a really old school, I got this a long time ago. It's a Victoria's Secret throw blanket. I have throw blankets everywhere because I get very cold. Then you come over this way, we have my workspace. If you guys want to see this more in detail, I will link the video down below because I'm not going to get in detail, but yeah, this little corner is just where I work. So I do work from home, so I do require some kind of an office space, and I just decided this would be the best spot for it so that I'm kind of secluded in a way. Like if we have guests, I can still work in our room and be able to shut the door and things. Of course, you guys know I have my mini fridge. I have this right here, which is a bed tray, and sometimes I use this, I want to edit in bed or something. Moving along this way, I have a little dresser. The dresser is from Homery. And then I have this giant mirror from Hobby Lobby. Let me give you guys a different angle so you guys can see. Moved over this way because I like how the mirror reflects better. I know that's really picky, but that's how I am with my filming, guys. But yeah, I have this dresser. In this dresser, I just have like pajamas, bras, underwear, some of Manny's things are in these drawers as well. So I guess I'll just show you a couple of them. So this top one, I keep all of my Juicy Couture pajamas. And then the next one, I just keep other pajamas like Victoria's Secret. This one, I have my bras. This is a little bit overflowing, so I'm gonna have to do a little declutter of these soon. Underwear and socks here in the bottom are some of Manny's things. So on top of this, I have some of my favorite, or you know, currently using body sprays. I have Triple Berry Martini, Pink Suede, and Champagne Toast. You guys know I love this. I repurchased this glittery one. Well, I had some backups, but I've gone through a few of them. I have this gorgeous jewelry box from Pandora that I got when I bought some gifts for some people. And shout out to the Pandora girls. They allowed me to get a second one, so I'm trying to open it. So I just keep miscellaneous things. I have my rings in there so you guys can see how beautiful it looks. Whatever jewelry I was wearing that day, I come and put it in here. I do have like jewelry storage in my closet, but this is just like my everyday jewelry. It's really beautiful, and you open it and there's another one in there, but there's nothing in it. So I really love this from Pandora. I have another little tray. I tend to use these a lot to throw my lashes on them or my jewelry. So this one came from my makeup studio that I used to have, so I just put it here. And then I have a little like a speaker. This moves all around the house, so it's not usually here, but yes, I have my pink JBL 5, I believe. I have the Kevin Aucoin book that is, I keep for memorabilia, but it has so much information for makeup artists, and they gifted me this a while back, and I have always kept it. I have this acrylic box. This used to sit on my vanity, but I got a new one. If you guys watched that video, you'll know. If not, that will be linked if you want to see it. But I keep all of my glasses in here. Yes, I wear glasses, guys, and I just keep them here. Most of these are from Zilul, I believe. I don't have anything on this top one yet. Not really sure what I want to put in here. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. And then there's me. I'm just in my pajamas right now. I'm wearing my little Juicy new pajama set. We love a cute Juicy pajama, so I thought I would share with you guys. Okay, and then we get back to the door, and that is everything for our bedroom tour, you guys. I'm gonna call Manny in here so he can answer some questions I know you guys have for him, and then we'll end the video. Here he is, the man of the hour. You want to answer your questions? Okay, so what do they ask you?
When we're getting married. So it's finally gonna happen in 2 months. What else did they ask?
The pink questions.
Oh, the pink?
They ask you a lot of pink questions.
Oh, yeah. always asking me, where do I sleep? I sleep right here on this pink pillow.
Yes, he sure does.
And these pink blankets.
If you don't get bothered by all the pink, that's a hot topic.
It's just a color. Like growing up, my grandpa's favorite color was pink.
Yeah, so it's just the color.
My nephew's favorite color is pink.
And then they ask how you live in here, or like where do you live, because they feel like it's too girly.
As long as I have a roof over my head, I'm happy.
Show to them like you have your 2 closets, your own bathroom,
Yeah.
your big screen TV. Oh, I feel like all that, I know you guys genuinely wonder, but like I don't want to be mean. Like I'm gonna be honest, I get a little like annoyed sometimes. I'm like, oh my god, why can't I just be like just let a girl be happy, you know? But I get the curiosity, I understand the questions. Yeah, this looks like pretty girly, right? And some men care about decor, I guess.
I can do it, but I don't really care much for it.
Yeah, like if this was your own spot, you would probably decorate it.
Yeah, if it was my own place, I would.
But he don't worry about it because he has me, so. And that's one less thing on your plate. Oh, look how comfy he is on this pink bed. All right, I guess that's all the questions. The cats want to say
And for everybody
bye.
wondering, yes, I have hair.
Oh yeah, they always ask if you have hair because you always wear a hat. Your haircut came out really nice. I like it. He did it himself, guys. Tell your hubbies to let you know if they want Manny to make a channel, so he could do haircut tutorials and his bathroom tour.
That's rough.
And organizing
Haircut tutorials.
organizing his closet. Yeah, just how you do your own.
Gym videos.
Yeah, he wants to do gym videos.
I love going to the gym.
Yeah, he lives at the gym.
Boys and girls, if y'all need help with anything, fitness questions, drop them below.
Alright guys, that is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the room tour, and of course it's not finished. There's a couple things I want to do, but I figured I would show you the process because I really am loving our master bedroom right now. It's looking really cute. I got that bench. You guys already saw it. I don't even need to talk about it. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in today. If you found the emojis throughout the video, just leave them down below. You already know what it is and what to do with the emojis. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.